This video will demonstrate the process to import cardholder data into BadgePass ONE via a CSV file. We will also review how to export data from the system. Let's start with the data import process. After logging into the BadgePass ONE portal, navigate to Database and select Entity Import. You will want to select the entity for which the data will be associated with in the drop-down menu. For this example, we will select the employee entity. This means the data file we plan to import contains cardholder information for employees. Once the appropriate entity has been selected, you will select Browse. From here, you can navigate to the folder that contains the CSV file that you wish to import. Please note that BadgePass ONE can only import in files saved as CSV files. This means that the file will need to be named something that ends in .csv. Double check that the file being imported has column headers. The headers are important because it allows us to map each column to the appropriate database field in BadgePass ONE. You can see the example on the screen now. Once you've selected the file, you can map each column header to the BadgePass ONE field that you want it to be associated with. For example, we will map ID num to ID number, FName to first name, LName to last name, status to active status, and employee type to employee type. Even if column headers in your file don't match the exact name of the database field in BadgePass ONE, we can still import the data correctly by using this mapping process. Please note that the unique identifier that was selected when creating the entity will be required during the import process. Most of our customers use ID number as their unique identifier. Once all fields have been mapped, you can click the Save button. The import process will begin immediately, and once the import is complete, you will receive a pop-up notification stating that the import process was a success. If you would like to export your cardholder data out of BadgePass ONE, this can also be accomplished through the BadgePass ONE portal. To begin, navigate to Database and select Entity Export. In the first drop-down menu, you will select the entity that you want to export the data for. In this example, we will select the employee entity. Once selected, select Export and the file will be generated. Once the file has been generated, you will see it listed in the drop-down menu as a file available for download. You will notice a date and time next to the name of the file, indicating the date and time the export was generated, ensuring you download the correct file. Once selected, click the Download button, and your export file will be automatically downloaded. Congratulations! You have now successfully imported and exported data using BadgePass ONE. If you have any additional questions, please contact us. We're always here to help.